Are you having a hard time organizing tools in your garage? If you are, then you need a storage shed. It's where you can organize your garden tools and lawn supplies with great ease. There's no outdoor equipment or supplies a storage shed can't lock up. Whether it's a lawnmower, trimmer, chainsaw, or pressure washer, even your tractor mower. Before adding a storage shed to your yard, there are things to consider to ensure that you get the perfect shed for your belongings. In this video, we'll help you narrow down your choices by sharing with you the top 5 best storage sheds on the market today, including their advantages, key features, and materials used. Ready to reduce clutter at home? Let's begin. The first on our list is the Rubbermaid Big Max 7-foot by 7-foot storage shed. This shed has a durable and sturdy plastic structure for storing different kinds of outdoor equipment. It is great for storing riding mowers and other lawn and garden tools and equipment. The shed is intentionally designed to be stylish enough to complement the outdoor vibe of your place. Rubbermaid Big Max Shed has 332 cubic feet capacity, which can give you enough room to store various kinds of outdoor and garden tools. It has a lockable door for added security, and at the back part of the shed, seated a vent to let air and light come in. Rubbermaid promises maintenance-free shed as it's a dent, leak, and weather-resistant shed. Rubbermaid gives you a 10-year limited warranty. The shed can withstand rain, storm, heavy wind, and snow. It can be reinforced easily when harsh weather conditions happen. When it comes to assembling the shed, you won't be misled, for every panel has labels in it. It's just as easy as putting together puzzle pieces. It's really simple to put together. You can also customize the interior of the shed by installing 12 adapters included with the package, which allow you to add shelving, pegboard, and accessories. The doors of this shed have built-in windows which are opaque when the doors are closed, giving you a safe place to store tools and equipment so nobody will be able to see it from the outside. The shed is truly a value for the money, for it's built to even last in heavy-use, harsh weather conditions. The best part of this shed is it's light, and you can take it apart, so when you plan on moving, it's easy to reassemble it in your new place. The second storage shed on our list is the Cater Stronghold 10-foot by 8-foot resin storage shed. This shed has a wider area compared to the first one. For people who want spacious and broad sheds, this one would be a good product to consider. It gives you a high-pitched roof for ample headroom. The shed has 540 cubic feet storage capacity, provides a space for your tools. Unlike the other sheds, Cater Stronghold's door with a built-in window is located on the wider side of the wall, giving you a huge door opening of 62 inches for storing large equipment. This, one of the downsides of the door, its locking mechanism, which is not secure and durable enough. Cater Stronghold 10-foot by 8-foot resin storage shed also features a full-length skylight for ambient light. It also has 2 side windows that you can open to let the air circulate inside. It's best for people who want to have a bright and clear atmosphere for their storage shed. However, building the shed is quite tricky. You need to get all the parts from the box before assembling because the other parts are not easily found. It also has a lot of steel braces to install. Another thing to be aware of is the way they mark the parts, because some of the parts are reversible, which may confuse you while building it. But if you're looking for inexpensive and spacious storage sheds, this Cater Stronghold 10-foot by 8-foot resin storage shed might be one of the best options for you to consider. Stay organized with the top 1 and 2 storage sheds on the market. If any of these 2 match your unique needs, click the link in the description box to catch your chosen product at the best price. We value your comments and suggestions, so please don't hesitate to write them below. Ready to see the top 3 best storage sheds today? Let's continue on our list. Up next is the Suncast 7-foot by 7-foot Vista storage shed. Suncast Corporation is one of the leading brands in providing wood structures and resin products, which they guarantee to be a smart, stylish solution for a better organized and beautiful home. One of these is the Vista storage shed that's perfect for any outdoor space. The Vista storage shed is designed to be weather-resistant, to protect interior contents, and eliminate any risk of rust over the lifespan of the product. The walls are built with multi-wall panels for strength and stability. One of the best features of this shed is the innovative IllumiVent system, which is designed to reduce humidity, temperature, and provides light and air circulation. However, it takes a lot of time putting the roof on, which is the most tedious part of the installation process because the connections are quite tricky. The shed is strengthened with steel supports to ensure the stability of the structure. It also features 2 interior metal latches at the back of the door for added security and for keeping the doors closed. The door also comes with padlockable doors to ensure tools and equipment will remain safe and secure all the time. With a 327 cubic foot space, there's plenty of room for storing tools and equipment from summer staples to cold weather tools. If you want to get the most of this shed storage space, there are available accessories. However, these are sold separately and are not included in the packaging. The Vista storage shed has a classic shed design with decorative architectural designs for aesthetic appeal. The roof panels are shingle-style design for a classic look. The stylish design complements any yard or living space. It perfectly balances form and function and will definitely elevate the look of your outdoor space. The fourth product on our list is the Lifetime 8-foot by 15-foot outdoor storage shed. If you're looking for a spacious, heavy-duty, and attractive storage either for your garden, lawn, or pool supplies, this is definitely the one for you. As its brand name suggests, this storage shed is strong enough to last a lifetime. It's made of double-wall, high-density polypropylene HDPE panels with a steel support. It has 5 skylights, 2 shatterproof polycarbonate windows, steel doors, shelves, and a 10-year limited warranty. A combination of the model's 6402 and 6422 extension kit, you'll feel at home with this roomy storehouse. The double doors make a large entryway for bulky equipment such as lawnmowers and the likes, and all your tools can be squeezed herein all together no matter how big or bigger they are. There's indeed plenty of room for your tools, and they can be arranged on the shelves so that your things will look clean and organized. There are 5 shelves included in the package, 2 of which are corner shelves. Equipped to keep your tools safe, the doors have an exterior padlock loop, while the windows can be securely locked. So don't lose sleep thinking about your precious tools because they're in good hands for a lifetime. Rain or shine, this storage is built to withstand any kind of weather. The steep angle keeps the interior dry as it allows quick drainage of rain and snow. In addition to the windows, the storage shed has 2 screened vents for air circulation. The screened vents also prevent pests from entering and destroying your priced tools. Make this a fun project as this storage will be delivered to you in 3 boxes. The company makes the installation manual as easy as possible, so take time in reading and following the instructions carefully. By the way, assembly time is 6 hours. Patience is a virtue. It's all worth the wait. Finally, on the 5th spot is the Palram Skylight 6-foot by 8-foot tan storage shed. With 250 cubic feet of storage space, this is a perfect fit for your lawnmowers, wheelbarrows, garden tools, bikes, and more. Made by Palram, this storage shed is simple yet stylish. It will surely make your outdoor living experience a breeze. Anchor this to your concrete patio or wooden decks. Anchor screws can be bought separately. Despite its simplicity, the storage shed is durable enough to withstand extreme weather conditions because it's made up of polycarbonate, aluminum, and metal. It has a snow capacity of 15 pounds per square meter and can resist strong winds too. It's also UV protected, so harmful rays from the sun cannot damage your shed. This storage shed is virtually unbreakable. It's maintenance-free and comes with a 10-year limited warranty and will never rust, peel, fade, or get brittle over time. What a great value for your money. Double doors make entranceway wide enough to accommodate various tools for storage, and to keep your tools safe, doors are lockable. For better organization and storage equipment and other tools can be arranged in an optional shelf kit. The interior is illuminated through the skylight panels, which allow only 10% of sunlight to penetrate your storage. Meanwhile, back and front vents allow circulation. The floors have an anti-slip mat to keep your valuables dry all the time. Comes with an easy DIY installation manual and follows a slide and lock paneling system. But again, like other storage sheds, installation takes time. It requires extra effort to build this one on your own. However, in the end, the outcome will get you satisfied. Just read and follow the installation manuals carefully. We're done now with our best storage shed review. With the right storage shed, you can properly organize all of your things and be more productive than before. All of the products we reviewed in this video are manufactured by the trusted names in household consumer products, so don't hesitate to click the link in the description box if you see the storage shed you need. Please let us know if there's a product you'd like us to review by writing your suggestions below. We'll feature your request in our next video, so make sure to tap the bell icon to get notified when we upload it on our channel. Before we end this video again, please click the subscription button for more product reviews like this one and to be part of the growing community. Hit that bell icon too to receive notifications when we upload a new video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching here at the ReviewTube channel.